Oh, conformed. She gave in, Noah. You're teaching her the ropes.
Noah, are you splashing?
Yeah, now you're frustrated that you're wet, aren't you? Yeah. And look at that mud on the rock.
That's a good job of dropping those rocks, Noah.